What I have here is coconut and abacha, cassava flakes or bobozi with groundnuts which can go together. So let's get right into preparing this yumminess. For this, I have 2 tubers of cassava, and cassava you buy abroad doesn't take too much time to cook, so you have to keep your eyes on it. So I will go ahead, cut it, and start taking off the skin just like so. Cassava is very easy to take off the skin. Just make a cut on it, then follow the line and take off the skin. After that, I wash it thoroughly with clean water just like so. If there is any spoiled one, just remove it. Then inside the boiling water, I just throw in the cassava. Remember, the water has already boiled, so I will just be cooking this for 10 minutes. Cover and cook for 10 minutes, not more than 10 minutes, guys, because it doesn't take too much time to cook. After 10 minutes, it's ready. And the way you know that it is ready is when you start perceiving the aroma of the cooked cassava. Then that's the one sign. Then another sign is that the cassava will become shiny. It will not be white again, but it will be like milk color. Then I just have to drain it so that it will stop the cooking process. And this is another way to check whether it is cooled. It will start breaking at the middle. Once it starts breaking, it is cooked. So I will allow this to cool down a bit before I start slicing it. Please remember to thumbs up the video and share out the video. Then after it has cooled down to an extent, I'll start slicing it just like so. It's not hard to slice. Then this middle part, we'll be taking it off because it's not chewable. So we make sure that we are not slicing in that middle part, because if you slice it in, it will be hard to chew on. So I'm just removing it now. And after slicing everything, it will look like this. Then we add water to this. Just tap water, not cold water, not warm water, just tap water. Make sure it covers the cassava. Then I will cover this and allow this to stay overnight. Then the following day is ready. You can even wash it and put another water and leave it for the second night. So I will wash this just like so. Make sure not to be hard on it, otherwise it will break. So just gently pat it so that it will take out the slimy on it and the acid on it. Then pour away the water, repeat the process till the water comes out clean. And once you test the cassava, you will know when it's ready. The taste will be sweet in the mouth and it will not be slippery. If you look at the left side, you see that my coconut is ready. I've already prepared this off camera. So you repeat the process of washing the cassava, that's the abacha. Once I'm done washing it, I will show you the final process. My new subscribers, thank you so much. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, thanks for stopping by. Please like, share, and subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that you will be among the first to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Yeah, once I'm done washing the cassava, I will take out the water from the coconut. I love coconut water a lot, and I'm so lucky that this one is not spoiled, because sometimes we buy coconuts here and once you open it, the smell and everything will not be looking good. I'm so lucky that this is good. Yeah, cheers, toast, guys. Yeah, so I keep it aside. I drink the water later. I want to put this in the fridge to get cold, because this actually the way you eat it. Once it's cold, it tastes different from when it's not cold. So I'll be taking out the water again. I just want to take off the water and rinse it, but yeah, it's ready. You can have it like this, but I decided to just wash it off again before taking it. Yeah, once I'm satisfied with washing and rinsing, then we start dishing it out. But first of all, I will run some cold water to it from my tap. Then I'll be bringing out the ones we will eat now. So we enjoy it with coconut and groundnut, but you can enjoy it with either coconut or with groundnut. It goes very well with either both of them. So guys, that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Bye and see you in my next one. Kawadibazian. Debanyo.